I'm here at Dubai Air Show, and despite the lack of air traffic over the last 18 months, Frequentis has experienced significant growth as it's responded to the needs for increased sustainability and digitalisation across the industry. I'm joined today by Frequentis' Managing Director, Josef Kutschi, to find out more.
The air traffic industry has had difficulties, and we had issues we had to face. And Frequentis, as the safe and reliable partner of the air traffic management industry, we made investments to enhance our capabilities, especially to recover after the pandemic. And I think we did use the time by securing first our organization, to keep our organization up and running and being able to deliver systems even during the pandemic. It was not possible to deliver everything has went digital, but Frequentis has a setup and we were very digital before, and that really kept us ahead of the game, and we were supporting our customers through the pandemic, through the worst time of the pandemic. And on top, we also used the time to see how we can enhance our portfolio to be prepared to support our customers to recover from the pandemic and see where are the needs. And we really found good companies we added to our portfolio. The acquisition of Atrix, level 3, level 4 ASM/GCS ground movement control system, arrival and departure management system from Autocorn, and C4I, which is a very strategic partner for the air defense industry, a voice communication system, and that is added onto our portfolio. And this is how we support our customers to come back from the pandemic and also support them to grow further.
Okay, and in terms of sustainability, how are you addressing that within the sector?
Yes. As I mentioned before, we saw that this is becoming green aviation. We have to address that, and we have to address it together with our customers as well. So as I mentioned, Atrix, we acquired them last year. They developed and they delivered to the industry a ground movement control system, level 3 and 4, we call it also routing and guidance, which helps, for example, on the validation project with Frankfurt Airport on the A320 aircraft. This system will help to optimize the ground movement, and that will result approximately into $30 million of savings every year on fuel, and that also saves the carbon footprint and the CO2 emission. So that's one part of it. The second part, or the second important acquisition we did was Autocorn. Frequentis Autocorn now an integrated arrival and departure management system. For example, it's deployed at London Heathrow Airport, and this system helps to save around 70,000 tons of CO2 emissions every year, because we can look out 250, 300 nautical miles ahead, and we can bring in an aircraft when the slot is available, when the gate is available, so that the aircraft doesn't need to go over London and go into a holding pattern and produce unnecessary CO2 emissions. That's how we address sustainability and how we support our customers to really reduce the footprint and look into green aviation and sustainability. Thank you very much.
So it's great to hear from Josef how Frequentis has been addressing the needs to keep the ATM sector safe and sustainable.